Want to move your website from InfinityFree to Hostinger the right way? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to migrate your entire website, files, databases, and all, without losing any content or downtime. Whether you're switching for better performance, support, or features, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First is log in to your Hostinger account. Click the website under Website, click Website List. Click Add Website and click Migrate Website. Click the Upload Backup Files and click Next. Enter your website URL and click Next. Click Other Control Panel and click Next. Enter your login URL and your credentials and click Next. Now is verify the information and you'll be assigned a temporary domain that you can easily change later on. Once everything is done, submit request and wait for the migration process done. And that's it. You've successfully migrated your website from InfinityFree to Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more website tutorials. Got questions or ran into issues during the process? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.